Hello dear student, welcome back again in our online lecture series. Today we will discuss the reactions of alcohol. So far we have discussed the chemical reactivity and acidity of alcohol. Two types of reactivity shown by the alcohol: breakage or cleavage of carbon oxygen bond or oxygen hydrogen bond. We have discussed the reactions which involve the breaking of the oxygen hydrogen bond, that is the reaction with the active metals and the esterification reaction. Today we will discuss the reaction of alcohol which involve the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond. So let us discuss first of all reactions which involve cleavage of carbon oxygen bond. Our first reaction, that is reaction with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halides HX. X may be HCl, it may be HBr, it may be HR. Then second reaction, reaction with PX3 and PX5. It may be PCl3, PBr3, it may be PI3, and PX3 may be PCl5. Then third reaction, that is dehydration of alcohol. And fourth reaction, that is dehydrogenation. Alcohol on dehydrogenation gives aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. It is oxidation. Dehydration reaction gives alkene on elimination of water molecule, or it may give the ether on substitution. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss reaction with hydrogen halide. So this is a Lucas reagent test. We can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol with the help of this test, laboratory test, Lucas reagent test. What is this Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. This is Lucas reagent, isn't it? And our alcohol react with Lucas reagent to give alkyl halide. So different reactivity we can observe. So if primary alcohol react with Lucas reagent, we will write reaction primary alcohol ROH, okay, RCH2OH plus concentrated HCl anhydrous ZnCl2 on heating gives alkyl halide RCH2Cl plus H2O. The alkyl halide which is formed, which is insoluble in reaction medium, hence cloudiness appear in the reaction. Then secondary alcohol CHOH plus concentrated HCl ZnCl2, okay, on room mild heating gives RCHCl plus H2. So the water molecule is removed by this ZnCl2. Okay, anhydrous ZnCl2 act as a dehydrating agent, and we are isolating our product. So secondary alcohol gives secondary alkyl halide. Then tertiary alcohol are, we have tertiary alcohol COH plus concentrated HCl, okay, ZnCl2 at room temperature gives tertiary alkyl halide plus H2. This reaction proceeds with the protonation step. First of all, this acid will protonate here, then protonated alcohol undergoes removal of water molecule, and this Cl minus nucleophilic attack on the carbon atom. So this is the reaction mechanism part. So how we can distinguish the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol? This is our primary alcohol, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol have less reactivity. If you see the reactivity pattern, 3 degree alcohol more reactive towards this reaction than secondary alcohol than 1 degree alcohol. So how this is? This is due to the plus I effect of alkyl group, plus I effect of alkyl group. In case of tertiary alcohol, 3 alkyl groups are there which donate the electron to the carbon, and more electron density on the carbon facilitate this removal of water molecule. So therefore tertiary alcohol are more reactive than the secondary than primary. Okay, so do the copy, then we will discuss further. Okay, we will continue. We will discuss reaction with PCl3. It is Lewis acid, accept electron density from the lone pair of electron from oxygen. So let us write general reaction: alcohol ROH plus PCl3. There are 3 chlorine molecules. Therefore, 3 molecules of alcohol react with 1 molecule of PCl3. There is formation of 3 molecules of RCl plus there is formation of POCl3. There is formation of S3PO3. Formation of S3PO3, phosphoric acid. This is general reaction. So let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. In first step, one molecule of alcohol react with PCl3. Okay, I will write like this. Okay, there is formation of intermediate like this. There is formation of intermediate ROH. Then a removal of chlorine atom. Then there is formation of P. Okay, like this. Two chlorine atoms are there. Now Cl minus will be removed. In second step, this is first step. In second step, what happened? This ROH this chlorine minus anion attack on this. There is formation of RCl plus okay, this is like this. Then There is formation of POH, Cl, Cl. Okay. Now, again in second molecule of alcohol react with this intermediate. I will write here. Second molecule of alcohol ROH plus OH PCl, Cl. Again there is attack, lone pair of electron accepted by the phosphorus, then minus Cl. Okay, so there is formation of ROH plus phosphorus, then Cl, then OH. Okay. This Cl minus anion attack on the circle group. Okay. There is formation of RCl plus POH Cl. Okay. Yes. Now, in third step, third molecule of alcohol react with this OH, PCl, OH. Again same, there is formation of ROH phosphorus, OH Cl. Like this. This Cl minus anion attack on this carbon. There is formation of RCl plus H3PO3. So this is about the mechanism of reaction. So do the copy, then we will discuss reaction mechanism for PCl5. Okay, we will continue reaction with PCl5. Already we have discussed PCl3. Now we want to discuss PCl5. So in this reaction, what happens? We will write general reaction. Alcohol on reaction with PCl5, there is formation of RCl plus UCl3 plus HCl, phosphoric chloride plus hydrochloric acid and alkyl halide. Alcohol gives alkyl halide. So let us discuss mechanism. So example for this reaction, we will take ethyl alcohol. Mechanism: ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH plus PCl5 having trigonal pyramidal shape geometry like this. Okay. Now same mechanism. Oxygen will donate electron to the phosphorus, removal of one chlorine molecule, minus Cl minus. There is formation of CH3 CH2 OH plus lone pair of electron of oxygen, then phosphorus, then chlorine, and again another chlorine. Okay. Now what happened? This is intermediate step. Then Cl minus anion will attack on the secondary carbocation. Okay. There is formation of, what will happen? There is formation of CH3, CH2, Cl plus OH, phosphorus, Cl. Now in this what happened? There is attack of lone pair of electron of oxygen on phosphorus. There are lone pair of electron on oxygen. Okay. So there is formation of TOCl3 plus HCl. TOCl3 plus HCl. So this is about the mechanism of reaction with PCl5. So do the copy, then we will discuss further. Now we will discuss the reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Reaction of alcohol with SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride. When alcohol react with thionyl chloride, there is formation of alkyl halide and sulfur dioxide gas, and HCl is liberated in the gaseous form. Let us discuss the general reaction. We have alcohol ROH plus SOCl2. There is formation of RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Both are in gaseous form. Upward arrow indicate that. So let us discuss the mechanism for this reaction. Suppose we have alcohol CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, we have alcohol OH plus thionyl chloride. Okay, thionyl chloride, sulfur, double bond with oxygen, then chlorine. Now what happened? Lone pair of electrons present on the oxygen attack on the sulfur. Okay, there is formation of intermediate like this. CH3, CH2, then okay, I will write here CH3, CH2, then oxygen atom here, then hydrogen, then it is bonded to sulfur, double bond oxygen, then there are two chlorine atoms are there. Okay, like this. Now what happened? There are lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom and removal of chlorine gas, and there is formation of CH3, CH2, then oxygen atom, hydrogen, then sulfur. Okay, double bond oxygen, then here positive charge on the oxygen, and this remote fluorine atom here minus Cl minus. Now here the attack of Cl minus anion attack on this cation. There is formation of CH3, CH2. Okay. Now we are getting this attack is SN2 type. SN2 attack, backside attack. Therefore configuration changes. Cl plus, okay, there is formation of SO2 gas plus HCl gas plus HCl gas. Okay, this will be gone here, this will be here. There is formation of SO2 plus HCl. Do the copy, then we will discuss in next lecture, that is dehydration of alcohol and dehydrogenation of alcohol.